Welcome back to FAQ Wednesday. We're going to be talking about our 3D techniques we do in our resin. Really cool, really simple. All you have to do is give it about 30 to 45 minutes after you pour the resin. You come out with either a putty knife, a trowel like a concrete trowel, or you can use a squeegee. If you're doing a floor, you're probably going to use a squeegee. But these work the best to get the 3D looks. And as you can see, it almost creates like a textured look on the counter, but it's not as perfectly flat. This does have our urethane top coat, so it does have that orange peel, but it is completely flat. So what happens is when you touch the surface of the epoxy, when it's sticky, it brings the metallics up there, and it's so sticky that it doesn't let the metallics level back out and look uniform, creating these 3D effects, but keeping the epoxy completely flat. So really, really cool technique. All right, so we're gonna show you what the 3D technique looks like in action. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any other ideas or stuff you want to hear about, let us know. If not, we'll see you next week.